Want to excel in programming languages? Ever wondered how your favorite apps and software are built? They're all crafted using programming languages, the lifeblood of software development. Today we delve into the fascinating world of coding, exploring the mechanics of various programming languages and their applications. First, let's shine a light on the venerable C language. Revered as the mother of all languages, C provides a foundation for understanding basic programming concepts. It's a key player in system software development and is widely used in operating systems, embedded systems, and even game development. Mastering C can open a plethora of opportunities in the tech world. Next up, we have C++, a direct descendant of C. Offering the power of C with the added benefit of object-oriented programming, C++ is a mainstay in creating computer software, video games, and real-time systems. It's the go-to language for performance-critical sectors, making it a valuable addition to your programming repertoire. Now we move to Python, a language celebrated for its simplicity and readability. Python is a jack-of-all-trades, powering web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. It's the first choice for beginners and a staple in the toolkits of seasoned developers. Then we have Java, an object-oriented language that boasts a write once, run anywhere principle. From building enterprise-scale applications to powering Android apps, Java's versatility is unmatched. It's a hot favorite in the corporate world, ensuring a steady demand for skilled Java programmers. Switching gears, let's explore web development with PHP and ASP.NET. PHP is a server-side scripting language used extensively in web development. It's behind some of the internet's most popular websites like Facebook and WordPress. On the other hand, ASP.NET, a framework from Microsoft, allows for building dynamic websites, applications, and services. It's a powerful tool for developing large-scale web applications, making it a vital skill for aspiring web developers. Each of these languages brings unique strengths to the table, catering to different aspects of programming. As a programmer, having a broad understanding of these languages can significantly enhance your problem-solving abilities and make you a more versatile developer. So are you ready to embark on this coding journey? Join I Need Tutorials, the most experienced coaching class in Bhuj City, and elevate your programming skills to new heights. Start your journey towards becoming a proficient programmer today. Unleash your potential and shape the future of technology with your code. Remember, the world is built on code, and you can be the one